Hi everyone, in today's video I decided to surprise one of my best friends with a delicious homemade meal. She's been going through quite a lot and I wanted to treat someone who deserves it. So I'll be making a lovely beef pot roast with a side of roast and sweet potatoes and together with broccoli and cauliflower with white sauce. So we're going to start off with putting a little bit of olive oil in our pot. We're going to add our onions to that. To that we're going to add fresh garlic, some garlic pepper, some garlic salt, barbecue spice. Okay, so we're just going to brown this a little bit.
A few moments later.
And now we're going to put the beef pieces into the oil to brown it as well. I bought 2 little pieces, so actually that's enough for about 4 people. And over here we're going to add a little bit of spice as well onto our meat. Same again, barbecue spice. Some garlic pepper, salt, garlic salt, brown pepper as well. I'm going to switch it over now. Oh, lovely. We're just sealing the meat basically. We're going to turn it over that side. It's almost like a piece of steak. Of course, the best thing about this, it's got no bones and the meat eventually falls apart and it's so succulent. Okay, so we're going to just quickly spice that side. Barbecue spice again. You can put a lot of spice because it just soaks into the food and really gives it a lovely flavour at the end. Ready to put the sauce in, so now I do add a squeeze of lemon into this. This is the two beef stock cubes. Just add a bit of lemon, which tenderizes the meat, and a little bit of the white vinegar. It also helps to tenderize the meat. And to that we're going to add our parsley, fresh rosemary, let's just pop it all in, and some organum, that's about right, yes. And then I also add a little bit more of the barbecue spice in here, and I'm going to add a little bit more salt, and some more of max spice. There we go. All these lovely herbs make for a delicious sauce. Okay, I'm going to add this now. Okay, so what we want is to have the entire piece of meat almost covered, so I generally add a little bit of more boiled water, and then the meat cooks in that sauce for about 3 hours until it falls apart. So we're going to just tip it sideways so it can be covered. So that's the job. And then you can just turn it round every half an hour or so. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the next delicious meal by Cooking with Trish. Our oil base in the bottom here. This is going to be our base for the sweet potato and the crispy, lovely normal potatoes. So we're going to put quite a bit of oil in there. So we want them to lie in the oil. And we're going to start cutting up ours. We just make small little potatoes. Place them all in the oil randomly, because you're going to mix your sweet potatoes and your normal potatoes together. A little roasties, yum yum. But we generally cook it for quite a long time so it can get really crispy. So try to get your potatoes all covered with oil. preset the oven to 180. They can go for at least an hour and a half. Making our white sauce, we're having broccoli and cauliflower with white cheese sauce, so we're just adding our butter. Okay, so we'll add a little bit now. And using our whisk, we can start mixing that up nicely. Okay, we're just going to add the cheese now. There's nothing better than having cheese in the white sauce over that broccoli and cauliflower. It's going to be delicious. We've also added a little bit of organum for flavour. Okay, we're just going to cover it with water and then pop it in the microwave for about 8 minutes.
A few moments later.
Lovely pre-cooked broccoli into the dish. Spread it across, you can cut it up a little bit. And then we're going to put the white sauce over. Okay, so now we're just going to pop in some Bisto. This is the final part of the beef pot roast. This Bisto is just going to make it thicken nicely.
20 minutes later.
Horrifying! You're disturbing the end of my video here. Oh my word.